You see, you see. Okay, so, Moby, if you would make me some food, that would be good. And no, shall we do some more cat pics first? Get it like this. You will be in a bit, okay. But yeah, say when to jump into VC. Okay, I would say we'll do some more cat pics, and you have to decide between. You do remember that you and Moby prepared a game for me, right? If you do not remember, not sure what Moby will hit you. We can do that game first, or the other one that I have prepared, which is still a surprise. I'll leave that decision to you. Moby would hit you anyway. I mean, you like it that way, so yeah. But for now, let's do more. He remembers I talked to him earlier. Okay. Okay, wait. Before we actually do something, I need to use the toilet real quick. So, I'll be right back. Look at the cat. I am back. So, Nu, did you decide on which of the two games you want to play first? Hi, Glennon! Welcome! Good to see you. How are you doing, Glennon? Let's play the one where I grill you. Okay, okay. But first, we're looking at some cat pictures. Ah, yeah, Daikun with also the mouse plush on that. Ignore that. I think that was while we were still already packing or something. I don't know. But yeah, it's like he accepts this just like that. Yeah, his usual grumpy face. As he looks a bit sad. He sometimes had a sad look, but like you cannot take that. Like animals don't look like humans. It's the same day as Chisa. Yeah, okay. Right. True. Aw, cuddly Chisa. Genki likes to do this as well. Hayato looks more like her, but Genki likes to do this. Oh yeah, this was after her surgery, when we removed the mammal glands. But we didn't do that, the vet did that, but... Yeah, like, a cone did not work, she could get that off and stuff, so we got her this body. And the only body they had we could use was for small dogs and this camouflage thing. She was too big for the cat bodies. It's like stupid. The finger smelling. Yeah, if you were like pointing at them, they would smell intensely at your fingers. And the little ones start doing that, but not like they're not quite doing it every time. Oh yeah, the curled up Chisa. That's her go-to shape. Ball. There's something? No. That's a bit heavy on the light, but ball-shaped Daikon. Oh, you can see his claws here. Yeah, Daikon had a bit of a problem with his claws being a bit too long. And technically, you would need to cut them, but like, that was impossible. If you touched, even slightly, his paws, he would go into panic mode. Also, that's on Moby, yeah. True. Curled up on you. And she's this sad look, like, it's so weird. Daikon being a sleepy baby boy. Wait, this image is mirrored. That's weird. Oh, look at his little paws being like, oh, ooh. He's like really ooh. That's so cute. And oh yeah, this is Genki. We have a Genki. Automatically does the mirroring on surface. Oh, okay. Yeah, they are fluffy. Hayato more so than Genki. Hayato is like silk. This, I think, is also Genki. Should be this, like, the other picture, just... It's Hayato. Yeah, okay. I just thought the nose is a bit too bright. Hayato has a bit of a brighter nose. Ah, on the donut! They don't go into the donut for some reason, but they like being on top of it. Genki also likes to lay on top of his brother. Okay, that is Genki. See the darker nose there? That is Genki. That is also Genki because I can see the little hump. He has a little hump on the back of his nose. And this pose is like... Also, they cannot leave this stupid thing alone that it like... It should stay up, all of this, but no. It doesn't. He attacked the underside of my laptop, yeah. They attack everything. Everything and anything. Nothing is safe. Okay, next one. I put that chair there so that a Roomba can do its work. But for some reason they do like the chair this way. Cats are dumb. Close up of Hayato. See how his baby face is? It's like, I wanna eat him. I literally wanna eat him. And... Oh yeah, that's something Hayato discovered for himself. He likes to, like, be blanketed. But the head mostly has to stick out. And... How can you not melt seeing this, right? Oh, it's so adorable. And next one is, again, Genki. That's Genki on me. Me? Yeah, that's on me. That's my side of the couch. So yeah, I guess for now these are the cat pictures. We will later look at some again.